So I made an executive decision to install the oil pan right now before putting the engine head into the block. So as you see, I've been struggling to keep this all covered and, you know, protected so it doesn't have dust or anything. So I'm gonna end this tonight. I'm going to install the oil pan that's been hanging out there. And first thing we're going to do, we are going to get this alcohol. This is 70%. I'm gonna put a link down here where you get the 90%, which is better because it dries faster. Look, this is what happens when you have too much crap in your garage. Look at my car. There's a box on top and that thing just show up. If I let this happen, in 3 weeks from now my car is covered in shit. So anyway, just a comment. Tomorrow this thing will be gone. The box, not my car. Okay, so everything here is installed properly. I'm gonna take this and throw it away because it has too much oil in it, and I have some more in there. And also I'm gonna take this out of here for now. This is going to come back when I install the sandwich. This here is actually clean. This block, we took it to the shop twice to get it washed. I don't think this is coming off. This is not actually anything. Yeah. So the gasket recommends installation dry, which means no RTV. The only RTV that I'm gonna put will be here and here, in those two places, because there's the joint, and that's all. That's that. Gotta be sure that no oil is here, although I'm not putting any RTV or anything, but it's kind of dirty. So let me put a little bit more. Alright. Let me see if just this thing here comes off. Nope. It's just sort of scratch or something. There is some extra in here. Alright, so I'm gonna get the RTV. Sorry for the zoom. I tried to zoom in as much as I could so it gets closer, and here I'm just gonna put a tiny bit here and a tiny bit here, and I'm gonna use my fingers here just to be sure. And to the outside you gotta be very, very thin, because you don't want this to there you go. I don't like that. You don't want this to get stuck in your gasket, and it's actually going to have the opposite effect, which is going to be lifting the gasket. So You don't want anything to lift the gasket. You want the gasket to be very level with the engine, and I don't want this thing inside my engine either. So I got a Street Pro. Is a package that comes with all the bottom assembly, and then I got the top one too, right? So but for this installation we're just going to use the bottom one. And as you see, let me take some of this zoom the other way. Alright, so as you see, this just goes like that, right? Nothing, no secret there. The compound is some sort of rubber, and those screws are even rubberier. So yeah, let's do it. Let's put it there. It was a little more expensive than normal, but you know, it is for performance reasons. I choose to get that. We have our nice old clean oil pan. Let me spray the air for a sec. Alright, so let's do that. Oh man, it's all out. Okay, so I got a 10mm socket, and I'm just gonna kind of hand tight. This is the first screw. Okay, so I wasn't right about the torque. It is actually 8.9 foot-pound, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to torque like star pattern. Yeah, I saw that online, that it was, I understood 80 foot-pound, but I think it was 8. It gotta be. And yeah, we're almost done. 80. Go. I gotta show you that. Look how my cat is. See my drifting tires? Kitty, say hi. And now, of course, it's gonna jump on my car. So 10mm socket and 8.9 foot-pound. If you do 9, I don't think it matters much. And cool. Hit the like button. Next step, we're gonna flip the engine and do some of the rocker arms, the lifters, and yeah, get this baby going until we are ready to pull this out. Alright, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, give me a hand, and check out my blog www.carmodsgarage.com. Later.